Hi everyone, it's Agnieszka from 5 Minute Language. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Also, make sure you switch on your notifications so that you don't miss anything in the future. I made a video recently which was about my language learning routine and it was very popular. So I thought I would go into a little bit more detail and I'm going to focus on one area of learning, which is vocabulary. And I'm going to give you a kind of general routine that you can use for learning vocabulary throughout the week, and hopefully you can implement that into your learning as well. So this routine is based on the concept of spaced repetition. I've made a video about that in the past to explain exactly what spaced repetition is and how it works. You can check it out in the description box. But essentially, it's all about revising at regular intervals and increasing those intervals as you go along. To eliminate the words that you definitely know and to continue to revise the words that you still probably don't know. So I'm going to talk you through the different days of the week and how you can organize your learning. So let's start with Monday. On Monday, your task is to find a piece of text. It can be an article, something from a newspaper, a magazine. It can be a blog post or a recipe or a film review, anything that you're interested in really. Find that text and identify the words that you don't know that you're trying to learn. But don't overdo it. Maybe focus on 10 or 15 individual words. Underline them, check their meaning, and write them down in your vocabulary notebook. Those are the words that you will be focusing on learning this week. Then on Tuesday, you're going to look up the words again, but you're going to look them up as part of sentences. So I always stress that to my students or the people I work with as part of coaching, that they should be learning in context. Each word is not really supposed to be an individual word. It's supposed to be used as part of a sentence. So you need to look it up as part of a sentence. And you can do that in dictionaries. You can do that in several different dictionaries online. They always give you examples of how the word can be used in a sentence. And I really recommend that you use at least 3 different dictionaries to find at least 3 different examples of sentences where the word has been used. So find those words, find the sentences, and write them down in your vocabulary notebook as well. Then you're going to review the words as part of sentences. Looking at the sentences will help you memorize the words and memorize the meanings because you will be able to see the words in action. So you can have a break on Wednesday, but on Thursday, you're going to review the sentences. You can read them. You can also try to repeat them as well. You can close the book and try to repeat the sentence, or you can practice writing them again. Writing again is a good technique for memorizing things. So you can just write the sentence again on a different page. Then on Sunday, you're going to review the sentences again, and then you're going to apply a traffic light system or any kind of highlighting system that works for you to identify the words that you definitely know, the words that you're not sure about, and then the words that you definitely still need to work on. So I personally use this technique and I find it useful. You can try it out and let me know what you think in the comments. But essentially, if you highlight something green, that means you can kind of put it aside for a month or 2 before you look at it again. If it's orange, that means you should still review it maybe in a week or 2. And if it's red, that means you should focus on it probably in the following week because you still don't know the word. So that way you're focusing your attention and your energy on the words that you really don't know, and you're putting the ones that you definitely know aside for now. So like I say in my video about spaced repetition, you will be coming back to those words in a couple of months just to make sure they're still there and that you still understand them and are able to use them. But for now, focus your energy on the things that you really need to learn. So that's it. That's my mini vocabulary routine over a week. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below how you learn vocabulary. What is your routine? It will be really useful to read other people's experiences as well. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.